Is that a centipede? Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. What we've got here is a thermostat replacement kit for the M272 engine. These are going to be your V6 engines produced between 2006 and 2011, depending on the model. You're going to get an error message on your dash related to coolant temperature, or in the winter you might notice your car is taking a lot of time to get up to operating temperature. When it gets really bad, you're going to get a fault code for open circuit on the map-controlled thermostat, which is what this guy is. It is electronically controlled by the engine computer, and the engine computer checks the circuit. So if it notices there's an open circuit, it's going to throw a fault. This kit's very simple. It includes the thermostat and coolant, and that's literally all you need to service the vehicle. If it's your first time doing something like this, it'll probably take about 45 minutes. Taking out the engine air box, you're going to take out your belts, evacuate some of the fluid from the expansion tank reservoir. That's about it. Thermostat's retained by 2 bolts. Once the thermostat's in and plugged in, you just bleed the system and you're good to go. If you need to test your thermostat, you've got 2 ports right on the thermostat. You're testing for, I believe the value is 15 ohms plus or minus 1 or 2 ohms. Very common replacement item. The life expectancy of this guy is about 50,000 miles. Another thing to look out for when the thermostat goes, unfortunately, the engine fan might run on high as well. Another reason why you're definitely going to want to replace the thermostat as soon as you notice the failure symptoms. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen today, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.